how to connect your Metamask wallet to Uniswap on mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First, you need to download both the Metamask and Uniswap apps. After that, open Metamask and go to settings at the bottom right. From there, you need to copy your recovery phrase or secret phrase key. Once you've copied your phrase key, open the Uniswap app. Here, tap on Add an existing wallet, then choose Import a wallet. Here, you'll need to paste the phrase key from your Metamask wallet account. After pasting it, tap Continue. Next, skip the optional setup steps if you don't want to configure them. Tap Enable, then Allow, and again skip any parts you don't need. That's it, your Metamask wallet is now connected to Uniswap on mobile. So that's basically how you can connect your Metamask wallet to Uniswap on mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.